How to use AT&T 5G home internet setup. First of all, you have to download the companion application. So go ahead and launch your device's App Store, tap on that search bar, then proceed to type AT&T Smart Home Manager application. Once you download the application itself, all you have to do is sign in using your primary AT&T account credentials. If you are a brand new subscriber, select the setup equipment for the splash screen to register. Now, once you register your All-Fi hub, you simply have to optimize the gateway placement. By moving the gateway into the highest floor of your home if applicable. Place the hub directly near a window or a shelf or desk with an open line of sight outside. And avoid putting the hardware behind the thick concrete walls. Now all you have to do is boot and verify the connection and link your home hardware. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.